Hello and welcome to another Hot Wheels unboxing. In today's video, I managed to get a 5-pack, a Hot Wheels Dragster 5-pack. Now I've been wanting for a long time to get this, a Moon Ice Funny Car. Now, let's open it. And here it is. Now I'll be grabbing one by one car and showing them all. And the first car is a car that we've seen 2023 main one 1988 Ford T-Bird. It's a pretty interesting casting. We can see that it was designed by Tusky. Yeah. The thing with Tusky is one of the Hot Wheels designers. It's pretty interesting. And the next car is another car that we've seen in 2023 main one. A 62 Corvette Gasser with this very interesting livery. And the next car, which is a fantasy model, also seen in 2023, Hot Wired. Yeah, it's a pretty interesting model, but it fits in since it's a drag race car. And the next fantasy, which I believe I have 0 of, yeah, Door Slammer. Pretty interesting. Like it's a crazily modified car. And the last car, and the best car out of this pack, Mustang Funny Car. Wait, it's a 2010 Ford Mustang FC? Maybe it's not a car I already have. Because I've seen none of them have 2010 Ford Mustang FC written on them. I'll have to check in my collection. But yeah, that's it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.